Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Hide Me VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So the Hide Me VPN hides your IP address and encrypts your connection. So your online activity and personal data remains private and safe at all time. So this VPN is officially available on Firestick App Store. If you want to download Hide Me VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here Hide Me VPN. When you type it 2-3 words, the suggestion below Hide Me VPN. So click on. Now here click on blue color Hide Me app, then click on download button. So the Hide Me VPN is installed on our Amazon Fire Stick device. Now you open VPN from here and also from home. So after installing Hide Me VPN on Amazon Fire Stick device, press remote home button and here again press remote home button for 3 seconds or click on apps. And here as you can see all installed application on Amazon Fire Stick device. So if you want to open that application, then scroll down, you will find that application. So here as you can see Hide Me VPN app, then click on. Now you will see verification pin on your Fire Stick screen. So open this URL on other device and enter the pin you will see on screen and verify VPN. So you can use this method to download and verify Hide Me VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.